somebody please. Once up pussy Valiant. You and your selector friend just a copy man. Don't this Teejay little youth, me shot the hat off of your head where you catch it pan.
You know long one the batty boy start the war and stop your balling on the bumbuckler media.
Yo, what's good YouTube? Gang, welcome back to another video. You already know what time it is. Yo, that Mafia war is in the air. We don't know what them putting in a January breeze, you know. We don't know what going in January, but from the year start, when the year nice, bad, me not lie. Yo, people, we coming a quick update, you know. It seems like, yo, Teejay and Valiant is at it. Teejay and Valiant is at it. Now, if you don't know what go on, Teejay and Valiant went live earlier and they was exchanging some words and they seem to be beefing. Yeah, if you don't know what go on, may I catch you up to speed, let you know exactly what's been going on between Teejay and Valiant. You see me and say. Now, to catch up on the whole Teejay and Valiant beef situation, I have to start from started from when Drift just dropped. Alright, so when Drift just dropped, there was a little controversy between Teejay and DJ Mac over the whole ownership and who make the song bust. You see me answer. So during the whole time of all that, Teejay did go live. Where he did go live, do the whole controversy and all that, Teejay did go live where he's dissing up DJ Mac over the Drift ownership. That's when he posted this video right here.
I can't tell me about oh, remember who you get strength from. Go suck out your mother Mac. Batty boy ever bust Teejay. Me have rocks to riches, me have only much song before you can text me phone, I can tell me about oh, God not sleep. God not sleep on you, you're pussy, you're too bad man, you're too corrupt, you and you're a vampire. You do it to the next you to produce speed off, bro. Me not hold on no chat, you do it to you to produce.
Oh, after Teejay posted that video and this up DJ Mac and everything, there was a whole little thing that went through and all that situation got settled. But after a couple weeks, probably a couple months after, Valiant started linked with DJ Mac, you feel me? And then Valiant actually dropped this banger song that shook up the place called Beer and Salt. Check it out.
Protect myself with a 9 and a chip black. Mark them a link when them can't find a hit song.
Now, in Beer and Salt, Valiant did take a shots at a number of people, including vloggers, as well as multiple artists, where him say, yo, mark them a link up when they can't find a hit song. Now, a lot of people already assume that, yo, he was talking about Teejay and the whole Drift situation. Everybody was speculating that it was Teejay, but we never heard a response from Teejay or any confirmation from this one Valiant. But Teejay with the whole Drift promotion and whole touring and trying to do stuff, you know what I'm saying, getting stuff done with the whole promotion and Drift and all that, didn't respond to Valiant. But recently, like a couple days ago, he did take to the Let's Be Honest podcast where he did have this to say about the whole situation.
The man have a part of it. The man have love you Stonecraft for me dog. To me a country man in a bro. Yo, really want them dog.
Yo,
watch it though.
Wait, no.
You know what I mean?
Come on, said. We had drive come here. Yeah, so watch it though. Jay, I gotta talk to Jay about whole line friend them.
Yeah, man.
I'm gonna tell him say whole line friend them. Rate me, I'm gonna rate him friend them. Like, what is it, bro?
No, not all like that.
No.
I tell us say.
No, in the Let's Be Honest interview, you can see Teejay talking about, oh, yo, him and such man good, and then when I make whole music I talk about them a link when they can't get a hit song, and I say like, yo, me and this man good, so how do I make them kind of stay when I pull the craft on me because he come from country and all these things, you know what I'm saying, he make light of the situation. But Valiant, I guess Valiant saw the interview and took to his IG where he made this post right here. I say, yo, a me attack, you see me I say, and yo, people, we thought it was done right there. People thought it was hilarious. But not only that happened, later on, Teejay actually took to IG where he previewed this track right here.
That way. Them none right for charging. They no got no Bobby attacking. The boy them a go on with it now.
Now in that diss track, Teejay did preview that this track is supposed to come out on Teejay's new album I Am Chippy, but he did go online and preview that this track And in here you can say they not no Barbie them boy there. You know what I'm saying? Referring to Valiant Barbie song. Them boy ain't got no Barbie. Okay, referring to Valiant's Barbie song, Barbie lyrics. And people are like, well on there, Teejay is flinging direct shots at Valiant. Then later on, Valiant took to his IG where he made this post. It says, "Me nah give you no strength for your EP, sir. Go work and promote it." You see me? I say a lot of people saw that and a lot of people was laughing because you don't know Teejay is the bigger artist. So a lot of people was laughing until you don't know, and you will see Valiant follow up with this post on his IG again. That's him and DJ Mac playing the rhythm to Valiant's Drift. You see me? I say. People was like, yo, oh, go on so. Why am I play that? Then Teejay decided to say, yo, you don't like the style here, and he go live again. This up DJ Mac and Valiant once again.
Friend, bro, if I want picture, go make your pre me or I want post. Me not think me a your friend. I just saw me look my life, bro. Bro, someone no brother, someone we call man friend dog, I kill and I try kill a thing, brother. You get me a second. You see, if me and somebody apart and something happen and we not deal. Bro, go on boy your ways and me go on boy my ways, no big man. Go on boy your ways and me go on boy for me ways, no big man. Where you come pan it now, I try look a hype off. Bro, no can't hype off of me thing, brother. You see me? No can't hype off of me thing, bro. And Mac no do nothing for drift. Straightforward, Mac never do nothing for drift. Go suck your mama again, Mac. You know do nothing for drift. Panda promote, produce drift. Drift boss pan Panda page pan TikTok. And if you say drift done for last year, suck your mother again. Vex or no vex. Watch it from your son. No boy can diss me. I know a studio one day in idea. Lucky me name pull up round there. No go.
Now after Teejay went live and diss up DJ Mac again for the second or third time, I guess Teejay decided to say, yo, you know why not take it like that, you know, in the boat bag of media thing, post my IG thing, I take it straight to the music. So the man took to IG when post a snippet of a new diss track with Valiant. As me took to the military redeemer, I'm not lie people that are gonna come with heat. Check it out.
Farmer, you're not gangster, no rate no. Bex no bex. God no. A drift start all of this. As the man say, some boy no rich. No matter how fuck, me I tell the truth though. Frog face, bumbo old boy, I what do a UTC man, up top camp. No matter how fuck, I gotta still hold on my mind. Could somebody please pants up pussy Valiant? You and your selector friend just a copy man. Don't this Teejay little youth, me we shot the hat off of your head where you catch it pan. Tell them chippy them a action movie, pussy them a comedy show like Jackie Chan. Two gunman pull up na the alley and rifle a wave and a knock it on me. Me we make shot range him, know this man a be all from Green Jill. The two policeman.
Well, yeah man, people, after Teejay go ahead and you know, don't know, post the diss track to IG taking shots at Valiant, you know, and talk about yo, so with Valiant. You see me on talk about DJ Mac. Say yo, you don't know a drift start all this up Rummy, the fat manager boy when you have run it. You see me, I say this up a bag of people on the track, people. After that, people wonder, speculate, yo, is there actually going to war? Is Valiant going to actually reply? People be like, yo, we not see the warrior, sort of like Teejay and Byron Messiah. But people, we couldn't be further from wrong. Because 4 hours later, Valiant responded a record time. You see me, 4 hours later, Valiant took to IG where he previewed his diss track to Teejay. And people, you need to hear. You're welcome.
Stop out with Grammy. Everything in Grammy, the same man them, but slap a Grammy, him and them same one par.
You know long one the batty boy start the war and stop the balling on the bumbuckler media. Dance for real pussy. Better know that. From you don't know that. Dance, that boy you can be good. Remember your friend them dead out, no killer no round your rose. You must have known me know where the GLE park where you hang out. The 12 gauge make big 12 head spread out. You know stop call for me yet catch. Make Bob Ziggy Sharon what back. Mark where the file where fi game what. Sound flap cam. I want to battle boy Timaya, we no afraid for fire. We catch your face for the pussy have a picture. You could have drift little more, but me rich higher. I ain't a bad, that clown face we sit on you. Me not spare nothing, I be a duppy. Raise up a key dirty, your face up, you don't know what the Draco sing. Index for your EP feature, that's why you want to be a let's get crazy. Salt spring to Glen, never know them a baby.
Yeah man, people. Valiant respond the record time 4 hours. You see me? Take to IG, man I say, you know how long you want to bumbuck that war to start. DJ the on the back chatting on the media. A long time I wait for that push a foot so you can do something. You see me? I say gang. I make TJ know say, yo bro. Yo, no matter how you got G for it, I'm still rich high, you know, you see me, no matter how much just a forward and thing, you know, in a game, rich high, you know, that make you vex and all type. Man, I tell TJ all type of things in the song, people. I'm not like, both the artists, them a go hard. You see me? Both the artists, them a go hard. I'm not like, two of them, they're on the same rhythm. You don't know. You don't know. It's a good match, because TJ, as much as people don't want to admit, TJ is the bigger artist. Valiant is up and coming. He's hot right now. So it's a good match. The hot guy the guy that's hot on the streets right now, you feel me, and the artist that's been through the game have some hits on that bill. You see me, it's a fair match. A lot of people say, yo, TJ Cartel and Valiant are Movado. So, you know what I'm saying? It's a good match. Look from my perspective, it's a good matchup. We like it's gonna be a very interesting war once the way it go. We don't know who are gonna win. You feel me? This the war that nobody knew they wanted, but everybody glad glad they have at this point, because it's not a war I expected, but I'm glad it's here. You know what I'm saying? Two very talented artists. For them, they have some mad tracks. The mad tracks they can build for each other, cause yo, TJ Japan, TJ build this. You see me? And then Valiant respond less than 4 hours later. The songs haven't officially dropped as yet. You know what I'm saying? Soon as you drop, you don't know, so we'll do some reaction to that. But just the snippets responding that, you know, that quickly, it's crazy. The clash look like it's going to go crazy. That clash even get co-signed by Vybz Kartel himself. You see me? Vybz Kartel even commented on the TJ post, man, said Bumbuckler war. You see me? So that co-signed by the king of dancehall himself. You see me? I say a man that been a legend on both sides, both the clash area and hit music area. You see me? I say so. Yeah man, people, the war look very interesting. Me don't know what happened in January. Me don't know why in I hear and want to go on. But the January are nice, the New Year are nice so far. They are appeal and I look out at me. So this way the whole beef between TJ and Valiant is at this point. Both drop them first this track. We don't know if I get a full clash. It's me. That's me I say, but Valiant say a long time away for your dog. You see me push a foot so the war can start. So hey, we might have a good clash in our way, guys. We don't know where we're there. Look, it's me and say gang so. But when let me know no thoughts about this in the comment section. You see me, chop it up. Who you think I go win? You see me, is this a clash you want to see? Is this a clash you want to see? Who you are bringing a war? Who you think chop the toughest first?
I always tell the truth, even when I lie.